for us.
Just, oh, fuck it, lock it. Just go! Where are they going? Oh my god, you missed the turn! Oh, I didn't! Okay, fine. I didn't miss the turn. Okay, down. Fine. Go! Go! So slow! Oh my god! What the fuck? Go! What was that? We're gonna lose. No, we're not. We're ahead of them. What are you talking about?
We have to be able to get in the... Whoa. Maybe eventually...
Where are they?
They're
Oh
behind
shit!
the car.
No, they're none of that. It's turned.
Shit. Fuck. Get out of my fucking way. Oh god, this car's really going straight. It's safe.
Oh my god!
Oh, fuck.
Just like sneak.
I can't sneak. They're in my fucking way.
Oh no, it's green too.
Shit.
Oh, it's orange. Orange. Go! Don't text!
Sorry, I was looking at a text from Thomas.
Oh my god! That's awesome. I guess they were going.
Legit.
Ah!
That was not
Oh no!
God, what the fuck?
Hey!
God, I don't want to watch Asian people in tightly pants.
Okay, ready?
Go. There's no time to think, there's time to act. I'm
Ready?
ready for the car.
Go, go, go!
You've got to win.
I know! Go!
What the fuck?
Go! Oh yes! Change lanes! This guy's turning! Yes!
Yes!
Mr. Gun! Mr. Gun! Oh! The window's open! Change lanes!
Oh,
Oh, I've seen her!
turn right, but then I gotta wait for the...
No, just stay here.
Okay.
Because if you take a... Because the left turn lanes take so long.
Oh. Okay. I have to reply to this message now.
Oh, good.
Why do you have it on a rubber band?
Because I lose it. I lost it 4 times at camp.
Did you really?
Yes, I did. Yes, ma'am.
Kelly.
I know, but I found it every time, as you can see. Okay, intermission.